Torque Willie's built for today's great exhibition of speed.
Idea. You felt Hud would have wanted you to have it.
I love it. Oh, it's perfect. It's very old school.
Did someone just say old school?